for calamari. Let's try it. And I have a jalapeno lime sauce. Let's try it. It's crispy. So let's marinate the calamari first. So we have 2 eggs. And 1 cup of milk, fresh milk. You can use any kind of milk. And some pepper. And salt. And para lalo sumalap, lagyan nyo siya ng konting magic sarap. And you're just gonna stir it until the salt and magic sarap and pepper is sold. And pagkatapos, lalagay nyo na yung calamari. Nahiwa ko na siya. Look, sobrang laki niya. Sobrang dami. So, i-marinate lang natin siya. It's better na i-marinate mo siya na 1 hour. Halo lang siya. So, for dry mixture naman is 1 cup of flour, or all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. So, we're gonna have onion and garlic powder. So, I use the fresh one. Onion and the garlic. I think it's better to use fresh. And 1 sweet paprika. Just estimate. So, this. And sesame. So I don't need to put a salt. So instead of salt, I need to put some small amount of magic sarap. Just small amount. And some oregano. And this is optional. I put some coriander because I like coriander. Then mix it up. So, na-mix na natin siya. Then, ilalagay na natin yung calamari na marinate natin. So, this is the calamari that we marinate earlier. So, we're gonna just put this aside. And, nagkugas na muna ng kamay. We're just gonna put here. So, we marinate this for at least 4 hours. Kasi kanina umaga ko pa siya na-marinate. So, we set aside. And para lalo siyang sumarap, lagyan natin siya ng Savor liquid seasoning. So, nabili ko ito siya sa Pinoy shop. This one is for the taste. I think it's better to put some. And just mix.